All right, Motorheads, we're back for what I think is part 4. And hopefully part 4 is pretty short. I'm going to try to get the Kingpins out of this Dana 60. So here's my setup. So there you see it. I have a 7/8 socket, Allen key. It's a 3/4 drive. Got my seldom used 3/4 inch breaker bar and 3/4 inch ratchet out. Got a hammer because I think I'm going to have to tap it into those Kingpins because they're a little worn. I've got it strapped down to the motorcycle table. So let's see if those come out. I'm estimating I can do about 750, maybe 800 foot-pounds with the cheater on the breaker bar. So let's see if that's enough or if I got to get out the torch. All right, I'll bring you back. I guess we'll go to a time lapse now. There you have it, folks. Heat is required to get those out. They were not moving. Got them to the appropriate temperature. They came right out. Those inner Cs are absolutely not heat treated or heat treatable. If they were, you couldn't weld them. So they're mild steel forging. That's all they are. Nothing's hurt by heating that up. Really didn't change any material properties in any significant way. And also, not to mention, this 1-ton front end's probably a lot of overkill for a CJ7 with the V6 in it. So anyways, there you go. This is probably a real short one, but hope you liked watching it. And Farley, say goodbye, Farley. So thanks for watching, and please give it a like, share it, let your buddies know, and please subscribe. Thanks.